subscribers. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fabulous curly messy bun using passion twist hair. So just sit back and watch me as I do it. I'm brushing it out for that messy coily look. Now I'm tying it to my ponytail. For the messy bun, I'm going to pack all the passion twist and tie with my band. Not too tightly, loosely. The key to a messy bun is to keep it relaxed and not too perfect. For some extra flair, you can pull out a few coils around your face for a softer look. You can slick down your edges if you love, but personally I love slicking down my edges. And there you have it, a gorgeous coily messy bun. This style is really stunning. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials. If you have any questions, you can drop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one.